So I need to get this go-kart like reasonably fixed so I can fucking sell it to try and fund a micro squirt for the Fiero. So I already have like everything I should need to rebuild. So yeah, let's get it rebuilt and looking good and running like a champ. And I won't want to sell it, but yeah, let's do this. All right, so we got the old carb off right here, new carb here. I just found this fucking ghetto ass shit. Looks like they cut out like a half-ass gasket to put over that, and it's like such a tiny hole compared to that. So this thing's gonna be like 100 miles per hour now. Easy 100 mile per hour top speed. So yeah, we'll put on the new gaskets and all that shit, and probably do spark plug. I have, I'm not sure if we'll do spark and that shit. I know we'll probably do the spark plugs for sure. But yeah, maybe if I feel like getting real crazy, we can put an exhaust or some shit on there. So, but yeah, we can't make it too much fun because then I won't want to get rid of it. But yeah, let's get this thing together. All right, new carbs in, new gasket, carb, new gasket, and then this little housing thing. Now I gotta put on a new filter because this one looks like poop. So we'll come over here, grab this handy dandy filter, put this thing on, and we'll be good to go. Make all the horsepowers. All we gotta do is add nitrous. So yeah, let's keep going. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, time to do a little oil change. Do. Jesus, could this screw be any longer? Holy shit. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Probably like no fucking oil in there. Probably take out the fill spot so that it comes out faster. Otherwise we're gonna be here all day. But alright, yeah. We'll come back when we're ready to fill her. Alright, got it filled up with some of this shit. Whatever the fuck it came with. So I just kind of filled it up till it was coming out. So, full send. But yeah, no. I don't have, like, my brake cable's broke. And then I have a new throttle cable, but I gotta do a buttload of work to get it to work. So right now, this is pretty much where we're sitting at. We're probably gonna try and start it up here and see if it moves or whatnot. Maybe I'll try and go drive it around a little bit. We'll see. So let's try and get started. All right, well, just got to start up. So let it warm up a little bit here, and then maybe I'll go try and dick around with it. But yeah, should be a good time. Idles like a champ. All right, got to get the tires filled up. Got a super ghetto accelerator cable, throttle cable, no brake cable. I suppose I could probably rig up something for that too. Just gotta take this guy out and probably just cut it. Just take this come out and then pull a little bit off, I guess, or something. You don't need brakes. So, yeah. Just waiting for a tire. We gotta fill that tire, this tire, and then just kind of top off these back tires. These are 2 new tubes. Those need replacing, but I probably won't be doing those. So, but yeah, let's wait for these to air up. All right, now we got this super ghetto brake cable. Should work. I fucking hate these things. They don't work as good as you'd think. But yeah, hopefully I don't break that cable because it feels like it's gonna break because it's a mechanical. Come back here and it pulls on this little guy. So hopefully it works. We'll find out. All right, so I actually had to throw some welds on there because I was doing one tire fire, and that was designed like an idiot for whoever had the fucking Compressor who built it. And right now, I'm gonna weld on an AN10 on the opposite side. Well, same side, but just not back there where it was not enough.
Yeah, now we'll be going right into there, so instead of back here chilling.
So, but yeah, let's get this shit welded. Alright, well, got that on. And we got that on. We even give you that close-up, those really shit welds. So, I had to go really high up on the top in order to get there. Somebody didn't leave no room. Not like there was any room to begin with. And we just kind of just filled it, sent it. You can still see the bolt right there.
That's what I said. There it is.
So, yeah, there's like a nut right there. Boop. It's cooking. So, Paul's oil pan now has the AN line in a different spot.
Hopefully it works now.
Do we have enough AN10 line to reach there, or are you going to try and make what we have?
It should be shorter now.
So
I'm going to turn it. So it's going that way. I'm going to turn the turbine, or like, so it's this way now.
Oh, okay.
So then it'll just go straight down into this, hopefully.
But, yeah, so hopefully that will solve the drain issue. I mean, I'm sure the draining 5.5 quarts really helped, but...
Like 4.5.
It was like 5.5.
Hey!
I'm not...
I filled it up.
Yeah, you did. Stick. You fucking filled it right to the oil cap. But, yeah. So that's where that is. Let's get back to this bitch. Now I'm going to fucking go run this bitch. Run it right into the ground. Go do some two-wheel burnouts now.
Oh yeah, you love that, right?
It's going to have all the traction now. So let's go give this thing a rip. The motor must have moved or something.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's twisting. It looks like it's twisted a little bit.
Well, we may try and do a thing. I had like this thing, it was holding that bucket for a while. It was here when I bought the house, so it's really close. I figure if we let a lot of the air out of that, we might be able to get it over and then fill it up. So let's try it. Full send. All right, after some serious struggling, I got this one on. Super ghetto-y. Hopefully, like when we're driving it, it'll, you know, kind of round out. I'm kind of hoping. Just because, like how we had to get them in there, they're just kind of squeezed in there. So hopefully that'll work. But we just got to throw air in that one, and then, yeah, and then we got to throw air back in that one, and then we can go try it.
Chain's really gonna throw problems? Try it, Oh, nice.
It's a real shame.
Been throwing it. Before I weld it up, I found the issue. I mean, I already tacked this on there, so, but it's way worse. But when I grab on this, I don't know if you can see it, but like it's moving the whole thing, and it's all moving right in this plate because there's no structure right there. So I'm just gonna weld that bitch across. We'll be good to go. I was hoping that would fix that, but it still doesn't. But if you put any pressure on it, chain goes loose, and I'm pretty sure that's why we're trucking a chain. So, yep, I'll have to figure something out. I'm pretty sick of it for the day. So, yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this one. Yeah, because it just keeps trucking them with these things on. These things bounce really bad, just because they're not in there, you know, flat, because the tires are way too big. Plus, these are inner tubed, so. Is what it is. It's a good time. It's all that matters. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.